Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing insurance requirements. And let me preface this video by saying this is not a video where I'm going to explain how to avoid the insurance requirements. It's more a video about circumstances and sort of the overall situation with respect to retirees in Thailand and the insurance requirements associated with those retirees, and how their changes in their circumstances can result in a need for insurance. So I've gotten correspondence from, off the top of my head, it's 3 or 4 folks, and one in particular really sticks out in my mind. He brought up a number of different points about, the fact that this person is in Thailand. They are on a non-O retirement visa. So to be clear, this is not an OA issued abroad that required insurance and requires maintenance of insurance, but it's an O retirement visa. It's an extension here in Thailand, and those folks do not necessarily need to have insurance to maintain that status. And this person basically brought up the fact that if they do travel abroad and want to come back, one of the requirements associated with certificate of entry to return to Thailand presently, even on an O retirement visa, is some form of insurance. And basically this person said, so in order to, for lack of a better term, avoid that, I need to avoid leaving Thailand. And basically, yeah, that kind of is a true statement. I mean, when I say kind of, yes, depending on the circumstances, I would say that is true. If, the current rules remain as they are and O retirees do not necessarily need insurance coverage, then those folks, so long as they don't leave Thailand, they just continue to extend, presumably, under the rules in which they got their initial visa. So if they leave, that creates sort of a qualitatively, fundamentally changing, it's an event that changes their circumstances. Yeah, to get that certificate of entry, they may need insurance, and that may trigger some other things down the road that may require insurance thereafter. So folks that are looking into this, it's a good idea to understand insurance has an impact on one's retirement status. If you're in Thailand, don't need insurance, and don't need to go anywhere, well, best advice, probably just sit tight. But if you need to go somewhere, it may not be a terrible idea to contact a legal professional and sort of kind of game out the options for dealing with that in order to sort of proceed in the best manner and the best way and take the best steps forward possible.